But scientists are discovering meerkat language is far more complex than just identifying different predators. Amazingly, they can also communicate the urgency of a threat. The martial eagle is on the hunt. It's still a long way off and may just pass them by. The lookout sounds the low urgency aerial alarm. But the eagle is edging closer. Time to shift things up a gear. A medium urgency alarm. No need to panic, but everyone in earshot now stops and puts eyes on the eagle. Finally, the high alert call. Everyone makes a dash for the burrow. Today, the whole family lives to tell the tale. And it's all thanks to our young lookout's mastery of meerkat language.